Hi, my name is May.
So from the airport to the hotel, it takes us about 9 kilometers and about 30 to 35 minutes, depending on the traffic. Yes, but along the way we have many places to see as well. Oh, so
Welcome to Cambodia, Phnom Penh and Himawari. My name is Shepherd here. I'm the general manager of this hotel. We are all looking forward and hope you all have a good time with us. And my team are all looking forward to welcome you. All right.
Okay, love from him.
Very nice hospitality here.
Thanks for having me, especially you, Canon EOS. Thank you so much.
Hello. Welcome. So we have reached the Himawari Hotel and doing a check-in now. Their hospitality is superb. Yeah, the staff here is super friendly.
So, Mr. Yong? Yes. You is Mr. Yong, right? Yes, Mr. Yong. Yes, we already arranged for you.
Wow.
Just give me a sign.
So they even have a welcome drink. So this is our hotel room. It's actually a suite. And thank you. So this is my roommate. Hi. Oh, the dance really. And this is the pantry. Oh, it's like
you have like a full fridge in here then.
yeah, full fridge, and they have this. Even they have a cooker and hood. Cooker and hood. Oh, let me see. Is this all for us? Is it chargeable? I think it's chargeable.
It's Coke. I'm so
And they even have a microwave, even a toaster. Cool, man.
Is there a dustbin though?
No.
Oh, they hide it so well. Say hi. Hi! Why you scared?
I'm a deer in the headlights. No warning one.
And oh, wow! They even have a washer here. Everyone to wash clothes.
Yeah, exactly. You're meant to stay here for like months.
Okay.
Months on end.
It smells new.
Yeah.
It smells new, yeah. This one thing good that this is just now the staff here mentioned that this room is actually new. There's that newly upgraded rooms. So that's why, and there is this nice common area, living area, and we can like play cards here or something. Oh, Himawari is actually a Japanese word. Himawari means sunflower. And this is their room, the boys' room. And they have a bathtub. I so envy. Never mind, let them enjoy. And this is the queen size bed. The dressing. And with a view. mentioned Essence actually sponsored us the skincare. So this is one of the winner. It's a sunblock, so it's their beauty winner. I can't wait to try them. So this is the surprise that they gave us. So sweet of them.
It's time for food.
Yeah, where's the food?黑芝麻. Nice. This is the starter.
Coming to Cambodia, especially to this beautiful city, they call it the charming city of Phnom Penh. So this charming city of Phnom Penh, where Himawari is located, in this beautiful charming city where there's a lot of sights and sounds and beautiful palaces and rich in culture and art. So that is where Himawari is located, and myself, being the owner and director of this hotel, we would like to ensure all of you, that this is one of the best places to be, and with such a nice weather, nice riverfront, to enjoy the atmosphere and enjoy the food that you all will be having today. And this is a place where you won't miss home, because coming to Cambodia here, people always ask me if I miss Singapore food, but I say not really, because there's plenty of food besides Singapore, but a lot of other international food here to enjoy. So I hope even though this few days stay may not be long, but singing all the culture, the food, the experience that you have staying with us here in this hotel, Himawari, and also in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. So once again, I welcome all of you and thank all of you for being here tonight, and also for those viewers back in Singapore and around the region, to really come to Cambodia and experience yourself the culture, the sound, the smell of this place. Yeah. So nothing beats coming, experiencing it here yourself in Phnom Penh. So, well, enjoy, and wish all of you all the best, and enjoy tonight. Thank you.
Thank you. Lauren's favorite, chili crab. And the mantou, fried mantou.
So Conasat River is the only river in the world.
So this is a satay.
Curious expats.
Nice. This is the lobster soup. Is it lobster soup?
Sweet corn soup with crab and lobster.
Wow. It's the dessert. Okay, let's dig in.
Okay, so we are having the
Red wine, pear, something.
we are having the red wine. Oh no, the spice red wine pear served with vanilla. Oh god, someone's having me for dinner. But vanilla ice cream and palm sugar shredded coconut.
Okay, let's try. Red wine.
The coconut.
There's no wine.
There's no wine,
I don't taste any wine.
but it's very sweet. I quite like it. And it comes with gold flakes as well.
I think show the gold flakes.
Oh, my gold flakes are eaten already and digested.
So fast.
Sorry.
Oh, there.
Cause 我就一两片而已。Yeah,
Can.
it is digestible. Yeah.
I think the pear is very sweet.
You can take a look at the pear. A bit blur, but yeah.
2-hour gym. 2-hour gym.
Burn those calories.
I'm more very handsome. 6 pack. Sorry, 10 pack.
10 bags also.
Oh, this is very nice. This is crunchy. This is the funny
Yeah,
girl.
let me try.
Oh no, I didn't turn on. Oh, I did. ASMR.
Look at this.
The crunch, testing the mic. The crunch, you know, the ASMR. Nice.
I think we will end up doing food vlog instead of vlog again.
Yeah.
It's quite nice actually.
The vanilla ice cream is very nice. Oh no. Better.
And it actually complements really well with the red wine pair.
Oh, really? Together? Oh.
Not bad.
I'm like eating them separately.
Eat it together,
Let me
it's also
try.
great. Yeah.
Like, okay?
I think they cook it.
Very good. But she's not like a...
Awful. It's ice cream. Oh no.
Mother need to get some napkins.
Thank you. Okay,
We can now move to the onde onde.
This one is like a
The Cambodian style.
Yeah. What is this again? This one is
Is it onde onde? No.
yeah, coconut pandan crepe.
Yeah, which is AKA onde onde in
But
Singapore.
it's the round, right?
Oh yeah, but it's
not.
okay. It's the twin brother of onde onde.
Yeah, but one day it will burst out very shock. Yeah, nothing burst out, but it's very very nice.
Oh yeah, nothing bursts out lah, but a lot of substance inside.
Well, what?
A lot of substance inside, so
Yeah,
it's good lah. 精嘴了啦. Yeah. Why you laugh? It's true.
Very fragrant, very nice.
The pandan is very aromatic.
Yeah.
I think I'm kind of like conquer my entire mouth with pandan already. Oh yeah. Just stick me with it. Why are you judging me, Jack? I'm very full and hungry.
Really? Is that the pear?
Too sour for me.
Oh, wow. I thought it was sweet. Sweet? Yeah. Mine was
I think it's quite sweet, not bad.
Let's toast.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your orange drop.
Thank you.